say Likkle miss you, you need put them stiff. Don't man make you miss the appointment, bitch. You suck dick to me love, but bitch.
Reaction.
What's up, YouTube? It's about Terrible Dogs, aka the Reaction Boss. I'm back with another video for you guys. Today we're hearing a song from Skeng called Likkle Miss, and I got a Likkle Miss with me right now. Introduce yourself to the people.
My name is Dee. You can follow me at d.denae, DEE.DENAEE. Yes.
On IG, you feel me? Go turn her up. You know any Jamaican, any Caribbean music? I didn't even say Jamaican, Caribbean on the whole. Do you know any?
No.
So you ain't got like a broke off your back. You know, you ever heard broke off your back?
Broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your broke off.
You know Spice? Do you know Spice?
No, I'm actually.
Shenseea.
No. I don't.
She capping.
I don't know. I really don't.
Anyways, we have one of the #1 artists from Jamaica right now.
Okay.
This is a song for the females. It's called Likkle Miss. Do you twerk a lot? Do you dance a lot? Alright, so we better see. You think you could contest the Jamaican females in dancing?
Yeah. No, I don't know. It depends on how they look.
You go booty, you go.
It don't matter. That do not matter.
Alright, we gonna see. Let's
That
go.
does not.
Anyways, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's go straight to it. Let's see what's up.
Pull it on. I'm saying Likkle miss you, you need put them stiff. Don't man make you miss the appointment, bitch. You suck dick to me love, but bitch.
Never mind.
I ain't never watched this video either, but like, what's up? Hold on.
Don't man make you miss the
I want to see it again.
You suck dick
Bow. Okay.
Nah, for real.
Let's go.
to me love, but bitch. Twerk for the whole gang, you know you choke me a spit. Dance honey, this the whole place shake it. Boom boom, the girl spit on the gunman dick. Baby, you want this? No more those squad, bitch.
Are you understanding anything he's saying?
No.
I'll break down something for you. Hold on. Let me go. Alright, listen.
Don't man make you miss the appointment, bitch. You suck dick to me love, but bitch.
So he's saying her booty big, basically he loves bad bitches. He heard bad bitch, right?
Okay.
Twerk for the whole gang, you know you choke me a spit. Dance.
You heard that part?
What
He
he said?
He said he could spit in her throat, basically. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we are very slack. Like,
Oh.
we dirty.
Honey.
That, not me. I'm a good little boy. Let go.
It's the whole place shake it. Boom boom, the girl spit on the gunman dick.
You heard that?
Wow. Did he say
She
spit?
splits on.
Oh, split only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
I thought he said
okay,
spit
okay.
on it. Okay.
You want this? No more those squad, bitch. Now go like a solution about the one. Never feel no head out. And you starting out, it's in all the yard. And you should fuck her on the same thing out. I thought about that, I need a girl out. And I live by my car. I'll come and fuck yourself. And I know me if it's the pavilion. She know me call the muckle. Car roll the down, and then I get nothing done. Come and fuck yourself.
Man, look, you guys at parties, right? I think I ever hold you like that at a party. Like, look, you see all
No.
these angles,
Yeah. Nah.
all these different Where they? Bow. But you been fucking, you get full like that?
Nah.
She's skinny. Come on now.
I know.
I gave never
Niggas
lift
be
you.
weak nowadays. I ain't gonna lie to you, baby.
Damn.
They be weak.
But we be jumping. You see our videos on Instagram when we dance with people. We be standing on females' booty and shit.
Yeah.
Spin y'all around.
You see
Okay,
that?
yeah.
They be a lot.
Yeah. You think you can survive in a Jamaican party like that? Hell no. You know, a small ass, they gonna be like, they gonna have a field day with you. Come on, let's go. They gonna be tossing you everywhere. Let's go. So he's saying she's the girl wants to bounce on it like she ain't got no sense. Then he's saying like, come and let me fuck you anywhere, and it's nothing if he did it like in public, basically. Get it?
Okay, it's
Most
a
of
freaky
it.
ass song.
Yeah, it is. I ain't gonna lie, it is. It's the first time listening to it. I watched this video, by the way. It's been on for 2 weeks. Yeah, I leave for like another video. Let go.
Shut us if you fling one in the day. Come smash when you will do this half thing. Let him roll in the wanted and naughty. Hip tone, no vibe, jungle, so can't spend whole summer get fucked into the one and says, hey, no, feel no, you're not. And you kill you, it's not yet. And you should fuck around the same thing, I thought about that, I made a girl watch and I live by my car. I'll come and move up in so. And then up me if it's not a video.
Oh, so I say it's say come and fuck you anywhere, but say I wanna fuck her anywhere. It's not nothing is wrong with snapping a video, you know, recording the sex or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. But Jamaica got this tendency of exposing females though, so females don't like when guys record them. So that's why they say there's nothing is wrong with him recording it. You get me?
Type stuff.
Yeah. But that's everywhere, right? That
Yeah.
Like why would you record someone to send it? Yeah, I don't know.
That's why they don't be wanting to. That's why they don't be wanting to, because niggas be
exposing. Miss Jamaica. She just threw up. Hold on.
He must have gave her hell.
And I tell him my loss tonight. Be a gun Monday, I feel safe in ourselves. Shut us if you fling money in the day. Hot bang smash me, never do this happen. Let him roll in the wanted and naughty. Hip tone, no vibe, jungle, so can't spend whole summer get fucked into the one.
Yeah, we dance that fucking. I miss this whole time.
Wow. So this the norm, huh?
At parties? Yes. That's why when I go to parties here, like I stay to like a corner because like I know what I be doing at parties. And then when y'all dancing, like look, be honest, when y'all are dancing at a party, right, and a guy come behind y'all be like, no, I'm good. You rather dance with a girl, don't it?
Yeah.
You see what I'm used to, so I just stay away. I stay in my corner. So everybody be like, I'm so laid back and I'm so quiet, but like
it depends on the dude. Like I don't want to turn around in an ugly nigga behind me.
No, the same thing happens in Jamaica.
Type stuff. Oh, okay.
Like if a wrong nigga be had, no, I'm good. Yeah, it's the same thing. The same thing everywhere. Oh, this is finished. Oh, it's finished. Alright. What do you think of it? What do you think of this video, bro?
I like the video.
You like the video?
Other than the fact that I really can't understand nothing he's saying. The video is very creative.
Right. You think you could take part in that video?
Yes.
What little booty gonna do this nigga video with all the ass?
So?
Anyways, yeah. I'm gonna show her a different side, you know what I mean, of the Caribbean. Maybe not a Jamaican song, but we finna get straight to it. Go follow her on Instagram again at
DE.DENAEE. D.NA.
Alright, boy, Terry Vlogs, you out of here. Peace out.